Imagine it's 2011. A stranger on the internet offers you something called Bitcoin for just $1. Your friends laugh. Why would anyone buy fake internet money? You hesitate, then click buy. You close your laptop and forget about it. Years later, you discover that one tiny decision could have changed your life forever. But this isn't just the story of becoming rich. It's the story of one of the greatest financial experiments in history. And it all began after the world lost trust in money itself. It's 2008. The global financial system is collapsing. Major banks fail. Families lose their homes. Governments spend trillions rescuing institutions that many people believed caused the crisis. Then, someone using the mysterious name Satoshi Nakamoto publishes a 9-page document. The idea sounds almost impossible. Money that belongs to everyone, and no one. No central bank. No government. No company. Instead, thousands of computers around the world would work together to verify every transaction. That technology became known as the blockchain. For the first time in history, strangers could exchange value online without asking permission from a bank. It sounded revolutionary, but almost nobody cared. In the beginning, Bitcoin looked worthless. You couldn't spend it in most stores. Most people had never even heard the word cryptocurrency. Some believed it was a scam. Others thought it was a toy for computer geeks. Even when someone famously spent 10,000 Bitcoins on 2 pizzas, almost nobody imagined those coins would someday be worth hundreds of millions of dollars. Early investors faced enormous risks. The software could fail. Governments could ban it. Hackers could steal it. Or it could simply disappear. Buying Bitcoin felt less like investing, and more like buying a lottery ticket. Yet a small group believed something different. They believed scarcity creates value, and Bitcoin had something almost no currency had ever possessed: a permanent limit. Only 21 million Bitcoins would ever exist. Here's where everything changed. Imagine a giant digital notebook. Every Bitcoin transaction is written into that notebook forever. Thousands of computers constantly check each new page. Those computers are called miners. Instead of printing money like a central bank, miners earn newly created Bitcoins by helping secure the network. As more people wanted Bitcoin, more buyers competed for the same limited supply. Basic economics took over. More demand. Limited supply. Higher prices. Then cryptocurrency exchanges made buying Bitcoin easier. New investors poured money into the market. Small investments became larger. Media headlines attracted even more buyers. And suddenly, Bitcoin wasn't just an experiment anymore. It had become an entirely new financial ecosystem. If you're enjoying these POV business stories, subscribe, because every week you'll experience history from the inside. Then came the moments nobody expected. Bitcoin's price exploded. Early buyers watched tiny investments become fortunes. Some became millionaires without ever starting a company. Major businesses began paying attention. Investment funds entered the market. Large companies added Bitcoin to their balance sheets. The world could no longer ignore it. But success came with chaos. Prices crashed, then recovered. Fear spread. Excitement returned. Governments debated regulation. Banks criticized it. New cryptocurrencies appeared almost every day. Some succeeded. Thousands failed. Bitcoin survived them all. Not because it was perfect, but because millions of people continued believing it had value. Today, Bitcoin is no longer just internet money. It has influenced how people think about investing, ownership, and even the future of finance. Its technology inspired thousands of blockchain projects. Governments now study digital currencies. Financial institutions that once laughed at Bitcoin now offer products connected to it. But perhaps the biggest lesson has nothing to do with cryptocurrency. History shows that the world's biggest opportunities often look ridiculous at the beginning. That doesn't mean every strange idea becomes valuable. Far from it. Most don't. The real skill isn't chasing every new trend. It's learning how to separate genuine innovation from hype. Sometimes the greatest investment isn't the one everyone is talking about today. It's the one almost nobody believes in yet. So here's my question for you. What investment do you think people today are ignoring that could shape the future? Tell me in the comments. And if you enjoyed this POV documentary, subscribe for more stories where history, business, and investing come alive.